everyone, good morning all. My name is Rizkita Amelia and I'm a student at SOMUL University majoring in English Education Program. Now, I will talk about my experience serving as a teacher. Okay guys, before I tell you about my experience, I will ask to you all. What do you think if you just graduate from high school and then you assigned to teach high school students? And have you ever had an experience like me? Anyone? Okay guys, so in 2022, I start this service program until 2023 for 1 year. This service is a mandatory program at my school as one of the graduation requirements to get a diploma. I served in Sukabumi at the Kiai Haji Abdullah Shafi'i, and I did this program with 9 of my friends. And yeah, there I was assigned as an Arabic teacher and become a supervisor several activities of the school, such as being a scout guide, a guide for performing art event, and etc. And helping with several activities of the teaching process at school. Yeah, this program aims to channel the knowledge that I gained while studying in high school. And of course, there is a lot of learning that I taught whilst undergoing this program. For 1 year, I met new people with different characters and traits and how I can get along, understand nature and life with them in a new environment. And also, I learned responsibility, discipline, learn problem solving, nurture and understand the nature and characters of different children. And also, I learned how to deliver materials well. Yeah, it was not easy as I imagined before. Of course, there were many problems that I faced in undergoing the program, such as being underestimated by children whose age was not far from me. Then, often missing communication between friends, teachers, and also the students. And I ever say how many friends was reprimanded directly in front of the student by school leaders. Yeah, that is one that I will never forget. And there are many. But in the end, over time, my friends and I stretch and encourage each other. Finally, we managed to undergo this program within a specific time. From my story, I concluded that we need to get out of our comfort zone to know that the world is wide, that every person we meet provides learning for our lives, and that every process we experience will be beautiful and easy, thanks to the help of God and the people around us. And yeah, I hope you can learn from my story, from my experience. And finally, thank you for your listening. See you.